In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a head explosion visual effect on Higgsfield. We'll start right on the Higgsfield website. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down until you reach the visual effects section. This is where all the themed effects live, and it's the quickest way to jump straight into a specific look. When you get there, click on View All to open the full collection so you're not limited to just the featured options. At the top or side of that gallery, you'll see tags that help filter the effects. Click on the tag labeled Head Explosion. Tags narrow the results to the exact effect style you want, which saves you from hunting around. When the head explosion page loads, click Generate to open the creation interface. Now it's time to upload the image you want to transform. Pick a clear, well-lit photo where the subject's head and shoulders are visible and not cut off. High resolution helps the model track details cleanly, and simple backgrounds can reduce visual distractions. Once your image is in, you can optionally add prompts to guide the effect. Prompts are great for specifying details like energy type, debris style, color palette, camera motion, or mood. Short, descriptive phrases work best, and you can refine them later if needed. You'll also see an audio toggle. Turn it on if you want sound baked into the generated video, or off if you plan to add your own audio later in an editor. Either way, it won't affect the visual quality. Next, choose a model. There are several available, and in this walkthrough I'm using Kling 2.6. Different models can vary in motion style and detail handling, so if you experiment later you might find one that better matches your aesthetic. For now, Kling 2.6 is a solid, balanced choice. Before generating, adjust the duration and aspect ratio to fit your destination. For example, 9:16 is ideal for vertical platforms, 16:9 works well for widescreen, and 1:1 is a safe all-rounder. A shorter duration is great for quick previews, while a slightly longer clip gives the effect more time to develop. Make sure these settings match your intended use so you don't have to reformat later. When everything looks good, click Generate. Higgsfield will process your request, build the animation, and apply the head explosion effect to your image along with any prompt guidance you provided. That's all there is to it. With these settings dialed in, you'll have a punchy, stylized visual that's ready to share or refine further in your editing workflow.